Ajay, Prit, hello. Ajay, Kalyan, Shiva, Yashwant, everyone, can you all hear me? You all are on mute. Can you please unmute your mic? Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Hey,
This
Kalyan.
is
Yeah.
Kalyan.
Ajay, Yashwant, can you all hear me?
Sir, we can hearing.
Okay. Did you all attended earlier demo? No, right? This is the first time you're attending, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please introduce about yourself, like your current skills, what you are doing, and all. Just for 1 minute, it won't take 1 minute of your time. If you can brief me about yourself so that I can make the demo according to your needs. Go ahead, 1 minute.
Hi, this is Kalyan. My background is, I have been working in US IT recruitment from the past 17 years. So I have a 2 years of employment gap recently. So I would like to switch my career into IT. So that is the reason I was here to attend the demo.
Good.
Thank
I
you.
understood. You want to shift your profile from your recruitment to IT. That's why you
Yes.
are attending this track.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
got it. I understand. Yeah. Yashwant, how about you?
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
My name is Yashwant. I am from Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. So I have completed my undergraduation in 2022 from Arviran JC College of Engineering. After that, I have I have planned to go to USA and I got rejected twice. And after that time, I got visa. I am ready to go to United States for my masters. But after that, 2023, I had gotten bike accident. So I have wasted 2 years of my time in the hospital. So after that, me and my friend planned to join this course.
Okay, good. No problem. Don't worry about it. I'm there to help you perfectly get trained technically. Okay?
Yeah,
Don't
thank you,
worry.
sir.
I'll help you guys. Fine.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
How about you, Kalyan? Ajay.
Good morning, sir. I am Ajay. I am recent. I completed my bachelor of degree in 2024, sir. But still struggling for job searching.
Okay, correct. Okay, understood. You also need to upskill yourself technically so that like you can apply for the new job. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So how about you, Shiva?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, my Shiva Sannapanani. I completed my master's in 2023 in abroad. And
Okay.
recently I came back for searching for job here and I gap 3 years gap is there. And previously I worked as a automation test engineer.
Okay.
So I need to skills
So
update to the data
you
side
returned
and
back from US and you want to apply here job. That's why you're trying for this.
yeah,
Correct? Right.
testing already completed. I need to upgrade the skills with the data side.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll help you guys. Yeah, fine. So how about you, Preeti?
Which one?
Preeti?
Good morning, sir. I'm
Yes.
re- I'm recently graduated Professor Sam. That's why I'm here come to Nanda.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Rihanna? Rihanna, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm working as a Power BI developer.
Okay.
So I have heard about data analytics for better, like I'm looking for job change. So, yeah, actually, I want to know about this. It is
Oh,
related to Power BI. So data analytics. I want to know the curriculum
how
and
many
how it is
how
used.
many how many years you're working on Power BI, Rihanna?
Power BI around three
Three.
plus.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this training involves with SQL. You know SQL complete hands-on?
Yes. Yes,
Oh,
yes, I know SQL. Yeah.
okay. And you know, I'll tell you. This training involves with SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Snowflake. Okay. So what you have what you have done in your Power BI, right? In your job, like you collect data from different data sets, develop the reports as well as dashboards. You do DAX functions, calculations, and all. Correct, right?
Yes.
Those are all things you will be learning here also. Okay. I suggest you, if you want to learn Tableau and Snowflake, you can join this. If not, like you just check. Okay. That's your wish. I'm just telling, already you're having an experience with Power BI from 3 years.
Yes.
So this
Hmm.
goes from scratch level. That means like here we have almost like 90% of freshers. So I'll drive this training from the scratch. I just don't want your time get wasted. That's why I'm telling. Okay.
So mostly topics will be covered with Power BI and Snowflake and the Tableau. How much duration in this during this course?
I'll tell you.
How many days you will go? Yeah.
First, it will a total training involves with 4 different skills. Okay, everyone whoever wants to go for data analytics, first they need to have the core skill set with SQL. Right, as you know, you are already working with Power BI. In your job, you need to fetch the information from any database. You need to use your skill as SQL. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So first I'll teach all the students with SQL. Okay. Once I feel that students are comfortable in writing SQLs, then I shift my training to the next step, training them on Tableau. Okay. Why I'm taking Tableau is once they learn Tableau, it's very much easy for them to learn Power BI. In
Okay.
also we do with lot of real time. That means like throughout this training, like let's say this training goes for 2.5 months to 3 months. You will not see a single day me teaching the theoretical sessions. Every day we will do in practical only. That means like if a resource get hired and assigned with a project, how we will be assigned with a small chunk of work, and there will be development complete set connecting dots and developing an entire project, right? Like that
Yeah.
only we will get trained. Okay. Reason
Oh.
why we do this kind of training is you are not in college stage. Okay. In college,
Hmm.
people need theoretical sessions for writing their exams written. Okay. But this comes for their job, right? When you go for a job, you need to have hands-on practical experience. Okay. That's the reason we do throughout the training practical. This is for everyone. Okay. Not for Rihanna. It's for everyone. I am just trying to explain. Clear? Ajay, Kalyan, Shiva, Vardhan, Yashwant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So as a Power BI developer, I'm already working, so I know all this SQL and Power BI.
Uh,
So like if I continue this course, like is it useful for me like to know Tableau and Snowflake
for
to
Tableau and
job
Snowflake, definitely it
change?
will be helpful for you because, like, when
Mm,
we are learning with Tableau and Snowflake, we do a lot of different levels of data. That means, like, as you know, we'll have transaction level data, warehouse level data. And database level data, cloud level data, right? So we will
yeah.
experience different levels of data, and we will do a lot of out of box projects only. Because like when we do out of box skill set development, automatically see, I'll be very frank with everyone. Okay. If you want to survive, if you learn this skill and if you want to survive in an IT job, okay, any IT resource, not only you, for me also, okay, any IT resource need to have 3 different skills mandatory. One is once you go for a job, if you get any issue, listen to me carefully. If you get any issue, generally where you will try to find the fix for the issue, you will try to check with your colleague, correct? The other person next to you, right? I'm getting this issue. Is there anything you'll be asking, right? When you can ask, when you know technically, already if you know technically what that issue is, you can ask a solution. If he explains you technically also, you'll be able to understand. First skill, what we are going to develop you in this training is technical skill set. You understood my point?
Yes.
Right. The second point is like when you don't have a colleague beside you, you will try to research in online, right? Through Chat GPT or whatever it is available for you handy. Okay. What happens there? There it gives you information, text information, correct? You do go and do this step and all. There
Yes.
also you should be able to read and develop your task and complete your task. That skill I am going to develop you during this training. Okay. And third skill is uh, the next position is like you will try to research something in your YouTube, correct? Where you get some videos and all. Okay. They will be giving you so much of lecture and all. So by watching that, you should be able to fix your issues, correct? That skill also I am going to help you during this training. Not only technically, I am going to develop you three-dimension skill sets, which is very essential for a job. If you know these three skills, once you get job, you will survive for your lifetime. Clear?
Yes.
That's why
Yes.
we do practical and we do a walkthrough sessions from everyone. What happens in real time is when you do the walkthrough sessions, you people will be able to communicate. I can correct you. This kind of you will be learning from other people also. Like we have so many people doing, other students also doing the walkthrough of their dashboard or whatever they have developed, right? So that you will understand how you can make yourself comfortably learn skill out of other people also, and it will be like a team. We will not work like individual. Once you join this training, remember, I'm your manager and you all my team. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Right? Ajay, everyone. Okay. Let me start the demo for
Yes,
you.
sir.
I'll make you all explain. Here we have people from recruiting. Kalyan, you are from recruiting, right? Kalyan. Okay. Uh, Let me share my screen. Once you are able to view my screen, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Kalyan, I think your mic is having issue. You can directly talk from your laptop. Okay. Can you all able to view my screen?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Just be interactive, everyone. I request you, if you have any questions, you just answer me. You can unmute your mic and you can talk to me. Let's make this session more interactive. Okay. Right. Okay. See, data analytics. Okay. These are two words. Data means if I write some information on a piece of paper also, that is my data. Remember. Is it clear? You all agree with me?
Yes.
Remaining all.
Yes,
Rihanna,
sir.
just wait, let others also answer because I won't answer from them because they are all freshers. Okay. Yeah. How about you, Yashwant, Vardhan,
Yes,
Kalyan,
sir.
Shiva, everyone? Okay. Right. Fine.
Yes.
I just want to ask, except Rihanna, remaining all, I just want to ask one question. Okay. Just let me know. If you want to purchase a mobile phone, iPhone, in online, what you will do? If you want to purchase an mobile phone, iPhone, what you will do?
We'll research for the specifications and
Correct.
where I can find a phone
Step
in a
one.
different ports.
Step one, what you will do? You will go for step one. Step one, you will go and you will search in Google, right? You will
Yes.
type in Google saying that give me the mobile phone list. It will give you so many websites where you can find multiple mobiles, right? After selecting that, the left side panel of your website will have different models there, right? One model you might have with Samsung, some model you might have with iPhone. So you'll be selecting iPhone from your left side panel, correct? You all agree with
Yes.
me? Then it will filter you all the iPhones. Then you will be selecting the model from the left side panel, correct? Right?
Yes.
Remaining all, you all agree with me?
Yes, sir. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
That means remember, you are trying to select list of mobile phones, okay, from an website. That means they are providing the data information on their front end screen. That means Google is having their data stored at some place. As a front end user, you don't know anything what exactly it is having, correct? But they're trying to provide you the best information where you can understand their data and take a quick business decision going and purchasing the product. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right? Similarly, in organization level, okay, so now you understood when a data is stored at one place, making it and providing you the data information in a proper understandable insight is nothing but a data analytics. Okay. If you want to purchase a bike, they are going to provide their bike information on their bike website. Or if you want to purchase a car, they are going to provide their car information on their car website. Correct? Hello? Correct? You all agree with me?
Yes,
Kalyan,
sir.
don't unmute because like your mic is giving disturbance. Yeah. Okay. So that information gets stored in their data basis like Excel sheet, or it can be an Oracle database, it can be some other database. Okay. Best example we will discuss generally. Okay, let's say Apple is an mobile manufacturing company, correct? You all know that, right? Okay. So in Apple, what will happen? They'll have a manufacturing department where they do the manufacturing of the mobile phone, right? They'll have a marketing department. Once the mobile phone gets manufactured, they will do the marketing of that mobile phone. Okay. After marketing, what will happen? Sales team will step in and they will do the sales for that particular models. Okay. Then what will happen? Finance will be generated. Correct. All the employees who work with all manufacturing, marketing, sales, finance will be connecting to the HR department. You all agree with me? Is it correct? Is this analysis is correct? Manikanta, Sheikh,
Yeah.
sure.
Yes, sir. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Rihanna, you also can answer.
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. Now, generally, manufacturing department data, we call it as a manufacturing data. Marketing department data, we call it as marketing data. Sales department data, we call it as the sales data. Okay. Finance department data, we call it as a finance data. HR department data, we call it as a HR data. Data inside that department, we call it as data. Okay. So HR data. Let's say a manufacturing department, they stored their data into Excel sheet at that time. And marketing data, they used an Oracle database and they stored their data. Okay, let's say manufacturing data is in India and marketing data is in some other place everywhere. US, UK, India, everywhere. Sales data is in some other place, Microsoft SQL Server database, and finance data into DB2. HR data, they stored into cloud warehouse, Snowflake Cloud. When they want to get this data information from multiple data sources and develop an UI, understandable reporting solution for the end user in real time, it goes with Tableau and Power BI. These are the two powerful tools in the market currently where people are using. Many companies are investing their license in Tableau and Power BI for their usage of their data develop into an analytical dashboards. For that purpose, they are purchasing these tools, Tableau and Power BI. Okay. Why you can ask me a question? Why can't you learn only one tool? Yes, we can learn one tool. But if you learn two tools, either you can go for an opportunity. If there is with any company with Tableau, you can go for Tableau opportunity. If there is any opportunity with Power BI, you can go with Power BI opportunity also. Both the spaces you can go for your opportunity level and you can apply for the positions which are available open with Power BI and Tableau. Is it clear?
Yes.
Ajay, Manikanta, Sheikh, Vardhan,
Yes, sir.
right? I'll tell
Yes,
you.
sir.
One more very important thing is there is an organization called Gartner. Remember the name Gartner. Okay, you might be hearing it first time. Okay. Rihanna, have you heard Gartner?
Gartner, no.
Okay, Gartner is one organization where they do every quarter review on all the technologies and organizations at high level. Remember, many of the clients and many of the technologies, whichever be in the market, right? They try to recognize themselves in the Gartner's review. That's a global impact which organization will do. From 2020, when I'm seeing the quarterly results, Tableau and Power BI is there in the Gartner's review. That means you should understand how powerful these two tools are in the market. Is it clear? Hello, Vardhan Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. That means these tools are recognized by Gartner every quarter from 2020 onwards. These two are more widely used tools in the market. That's why we are learning Tableau and Power BI in parallel. Okay, right. Okay. Leave about this. This one is like, but I'll explain you how a data will flow in real time in any project. Okay. Suppose if you see here, generally we will have a source systems in real time in any organization. Okay, source systems are like Salesforce, Oracle, ERP systems. These source systems we call it as where we will have raw data or where we will have transaction level data like that. Okay, why we need SQL learning is if you want to understand something from your source tables and if you want to read the information, business information from your source tables, you need to understand SQL to write the SQL against the databases, which your database it is, and to pull the information. Generally, in projects, we'll have ETL developers also. They use ETL tools like Informatica, Talent, Oracle Data Integrator, Data Stage, these kind of tools for transformation of your data, for cleansing of our data. Okay, there once they have done, they load their data information into different warehouse databases where we call it as an fact and dimension table model databases. That also we will discuss during our project training and all. Don't worry on that, we will see the hands-on. Okay, so when we load here also we need SQL. That's why first the core skill set what we learn is SQL in real time for the data analytics purpose also. Whenever you talk about data, remember you need to have a SQL. Clear? Okay. Once the data is loaded into warehouse, then people use Oracle or SQL Server databases to have the data, and that will be get used for the data analytics purpose with Tableau and Power BI. Is it clear? So we are going to be a part of this team. Remember, this team is we call this team as functional team, where they will have the functional understanding. This team we call it as an ETL team, where they will be working with ETL work, and this team we call it as a data analytics team. Clear? Did you all got clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Let's go into our code. Okay, so first I'll show you a database. Okay, so let's say this is our database. Okay, can you all able to see? This is our Oracle database. Okay, right. Let's say in Oracle database, I'm having these tables are available. My client want to have information from an employee's table. So what I will do, I'll write a SQL script, select star from employees. So this is the structured query language. SQL means structured query language, which you will be learning during the training from scratch. Okay. So I want to fetch information from database. If it is in your Excel, you can double click and open. If it is in your notebook, you can double click and open. But if it is in database, you cannot double click and open and get your data information filtered or something else. Okay. Just you need to go directly write the SQL, then only you will get the data from that particular table. I'm writing a select statement here to get the information from my employees table. So you all can see here, employees table is showing up with data, right? Okay. Let's say my client want to have want to see only employees who work with Department 90. Can I able to see? Hello. Or he want to see only employees who work with salary greater than 10,000. Now I'll adjust my SQL where salary greater than 10,000. The same way you are applying your filter condition on your online shopping also. Left side you are going and selecting your iPhone. It is applying a filter in the backend saying that where mobile model is iPhone. Is it clear? Where color is equal to red, where color is equal to green, whatever it is you are selecting. Is it clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Remaining all, do you have any question? Just let me know, please. Yashwant, Manikanta.
No, sir, we got it.
Okay, right. So now you see the data information showing all the employees. There are 15 employees who are having salaries greater than 10,000. Okay. Let's say I want to see out of all these employees who work with only Department 90. So, and Department Can you all able to see? There are 3 employees, Steven, Nina, and Lex, who are having salary greater than 10,000 as well as they work for a Department 90. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Right. Okay. Let's go into now you understood the part of SQL, right? How SQL will work on a database. Correct? Right. Let's develop a solution out of Tableau and see what will Tableau will do for us. Okay. Right. Let's go here. We'll pick a data. This is my Tableau. Tableau is a visualization tool. I just want to take a new Tableau workbook. Let's see the magic curve, how good we can do the data analysis out of Tableau. Okay. You all can see here, connect to data, correct? Right? Can you all able to see globally how many different data sources are available globally? There are 70 plus different data sources are available. You can see we can fetch data from Azure SQL, we can fetch data from Google Analytics, we can fetch data from Postgre, you can fetch Oracle ES-based, like I just told, right? There are source systems. We can fetch data from Snowflake, we can fetch data from Past SQL, and you can get your MySQL data anywhere. Okay. Let's take our database. What we having here is Oracle database. So we'll fetch data from Oracle database. Okay. Let's go in here, connect to data, and get our data from Oracle, where I'm using my HR data connection. Okay. Once I sign in, okay, it will try to give me all the list of schemas. I'm selecting my HR schema, where I'm having my list of tables, employees, departments, and all. Correct? There we have written SQL, right? Here we will use drag and drop options and we will do analytics using our thought process using this tool, and we'll develop a very beautiful insights. Clear? Let's see how we can do that. Now you can see here, employees is one table available. I'm using my employees table. Okay, you all can see here employees table information is available. The same information in SQL we have written with the select star from employees. Correct? Here, select star from employees. Correct? You all agree with me? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now, what I will do, I'll just design a model here saying that, okay, employees, you make a join with departments, bring in even department information. This joins concepts and all you will learn during your SQL training. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, there you'll have 3 different joins. Just I want to make only join with department ID. That is an equi join, inner join I want to do. Okay, this is done. Next, I want to make this join happens with jobs also, with from my employees and jobs. You all can see here, employees and jobs with job ID join happened. Correct? Right. Let's go into our development. Okay. The first report I want to develop. Okay, what I will develop here. Okay. Department wise number of employees working. Okay. Department wise, how many number of employees are working? That is the requirement. Okay. Right. Let's use my department. So we are having these many departments are available. Okay. Right. Okay. Now I want to see how many employees are working. So employees, I need to apply the count. So I'm going here and applying my count of employees. So you all can see here, these are the list of employees in each department. Correct? Can you all able to see? Let's make it descending so that it looks good. Okay. And I'll add color coding for this. Each department should show me a different color code. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, yes, sir.
Right. Let's go and develop second analytics report. Okay. In this, I want to see job wise max and min salaries. Job wise maximum and minimum salaries I want to see. Okay, let's go and pick job title, maximum salary, minimum salary, and I will develop a reporting side by side bar chart using this max and minimum salaries. So you can see here, each job title wise, what is their maximum salary and minimum salary? Can you all able to see? Each job title wise, what is their maximum salary in that particular job title and what is their minimum salary? Clear? Hello. You all were able to be with?
Sir.
You all understood?
Yes, clear, sir.
Right. Okay. Good. Okay. Right. Next, let's develop the third report. This I want to develop. Okay. What I will develop? Okay. I want to develop this report as okay. Top 10 employees based on their salaries. Based on their salaries, top 10 employees. So I'll pick their employee first name and I'll pick their salary and I'll go and make it as square. Let's make it as an heat map. Okay. Let's use a heat map. Okay. And here I want to prepare a top 10 for them. So let me go and pick first name. It should filter me top 10 employees based on their salaries. Can you able to see? Filter me top 10 employees based on their salaries. When I click apply, it brings me top 10 employees based on their salaries. Can you all able to see? Let's change this color code, okay? Let's make it a little bit cool. So we'll go and we'll use different color code here. Let's make it sunshine sunshine. Can you all able to see? Hello. You can see size also changed. Steven is having 26,200. So that block is in bigger size. The Alexander is having the least salary. You are having 12,100. He is in smaller size. Correct? Rihanna, you are able to follow?
Yes.
Is it clear, everyone? Remaining all, I just want you all.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir, I got it.
You got it right? Okay. Let's develop one more report. That is a detailed report. Okay. Let's go here. Rename. Detail. Detailed. Okay. How this detailed report will work? Okay. Here I'm having different let's take my employee IDs, their first name and last name, and which department they work with, what is their job title, what is their salary, max salary, and minimum salary. These are the information I want to fetch. And I want to show this report with a tabular format. And I'm using a table. Can you all able to see? Right. Let's go and develop a dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but where we can add all these visuals onto a single screen. Okay. For a presentation mode for our end user. Okay. So Rihanna, for you in Power BI, you can use your page as a complete dashboard. Okay. Here in Tableau, we make sheets, and on dashboard, we need to add the sheets. That's the difference. Okay.
Yeah.
So here I'll be using your date wise employees. And next I'm using here my department name wise max salary and minimum salary. And I'm making use of my top 10 employees. And I'm using my detailed report here. Okay. I want to make this first report as a filter. Rihanna, in Power BI, by default, you'll have a report level filters enabled. Okay. If you want to disable,
Yes.
you can disable. Right. So can you all able to see? Others see. I want to see who are working in my IT department, 5%, 5 employees. Okay. If I click, see, it filters me everywhere that particular IT related information. Job title is programmer, their maximum salary is 50,000, minimum salary is 20,000. And these are the 5 employees who work with my IT department. Can you all able to see? Right? Out of those 5 employees, 2 employees falls even under the top 10 salaries also from the IT department. Okay. Similarly, like you can say, take the purchasing or you can take your sales. Based on your requirement, you can just go and click and you see your analysis. This is how your data can be visually showcased in a proper understandable insight. That's what your data analytics is. Is it clear?
Yes. Here, actually, only one chart for one sheet.
Sorry, one chart for, one chart per one sheet. That's what I'm telling. In Power BI, you can make a single page as a complete dashboard. But here,
Yeah.
one sheet should be used, and that sheet should need to be added into a dashboard. That's the difference.
Yeah.
Remaining all, you all can understand. You understood, right? How a Tableau will help in real time on top of data. Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts or questions? Vardhan, Kalyan,
Yes,
Yashwant.
sir.
No, sir.
Manikanta, do you have any question?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Shiva, Moin Sheikh.
It's clear, sir. No doubt.
Sorry, Shiva?
It's clear.
Shiva?
Yeah, no doubt, sir.
No doubt? Okay,
Yeah.
right. Fine. Let's go into Power BI and we will see the Power BI development. Okay. Power BI is also a visualization tool from Microsoft. What is the difference is like why people try to purchase more Power BI licenses. License is less cost. Okay, Tableau is premium license. And the visualizations also looks very premium in Tableau than Power BI. That I can assure because I work with both. So I know like what is the difference. So the visualizations makes a lot of difference here when work with Power BI and Tableau. Tableau looks more premium. Okay. Let's say Tableau is an Mercedes. You can say Power BI is Toyota. Okay, right. Now you can fetch your data information, same like what you have seen from your Tableau, right? Like that, you can fetch your data information from multiple different data sources. Okay, right. Any different data source you can fetch, SQL Server, Oracle, whatever it is. Okay, here I'm fetching data from orders Excel sheet. Once I fetch information, I can see here. Let's develop a reporting solution wisely and see how this one will go. Okay. I want to prepare a report. First report for me, I want to make it with category wise, how sales are showing in a bar graph. Okay. And I want to make this look with different color code. And here I want to add data labels on to make in Power BI, I can develop visuals very fast. I'll show you how. Okay, I've developed this one, right? I can just copy and paste it and I can use it as a second visual here. See, the second visual I want to develop as an donut chart, but I want to remove my category and I want to use my subcategory. I want to remove my sales. I want to use my profit. Can you all able to see? Right. Let's copy this. These kind of options are available in Power BI, not in Tableau. Okay, right. The third report I want to make as a line and a bar chart. Okay, this line and a bar chart, I want to use my category by different ship modes. Okay, and I want to make line as in sales. Okay, let me move sales as a bar column and profit as a line. Can you all able to see? Okay. This I want to make with different ship modes. I'll just add different ship modes. And I'll just add category to my legend so that I can make like this. Can you all able to see? Hello? Is it clear? We have three different categories,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and you are having four different ship modes. And their analysis are being split into three different category bars, where line shows with profit and a bar shows with sales. Clear? Right. Now I want to prepare a detailed report with a tabular view. And this, I want to have my order ID and product ID, customer who ordered that one, which category it falls in, which subcategory it is, what is the ship mode of it, what is the segment of it, what is the sales, what is the profit, what is the quantity, what is the discount on top of it. Clear? Okay. I want to make it little bit stylish, so I'm just using style persist. Okay. See, same like Tableau. If I'm selecting here, you can see here 08836, right? If I'm selecting this, everywhere it filters me technology related subcategories. Under that, like how the sales and profit goes with the different ship modes. And you can see the same figure what you see here, filters. That means like it matches here. That means it gives you all the order IDs, product IDs, customers who ordered which for the technology category and subcategory of phones. Let's say I want to filter phone related information. Okay, I'll go here and I'll select here my, let's say I want to filter phones. If I select phones, everywhere it filters me phones related share. Phones related share, you can see here 44515, 44515. Can you able to see subcategory profits? Okay, sales. See 330007, 330007. Can you all able to see? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can see.
So you all understood, right? How a data analytics tool can be used in real time on top of any data, not only this data, in real time, whatever data falls in your requirement, you can use these tools and you can develop an analytic solution out of it. Clear, everyone? Snowflake is a licensed one that we will purchase the license and we will see how Snowflake will be helpful in real time during the training. During the training, I will encourage you all to do the certifications also. Whatever the free certifications I find in my way, I'm going to help you all with your certification process to develop your free badging, which you can add it to your resumes as your LinkedIn profiles everywhere. And along with that, we have a tool, okay, where it prepares you for the interview also. Okay, we have that tool with Career IT and ourselves, and we are going to give you that tool access. Once you prepare for interview, if you upload your resume, it gives you a lot of questions where you can answer and you can prepare your interview for yourself before going for the main company. Clear? Hello. Kalyan,
Yes, yes.
Kalyan, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
your mic
I'm
is
clear.
having issue.
No, due to some fan, there is a disturbance. So that is the reason I couldn't able to, respond to you. But yeah,
Oh,
I'm clear.
so it's clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
So now you can tell me like if you have any questions or something, you can ask me.
So total duration will be 2.5 to 3 months, right?
It will take minimum 2 months for sure.
Okay.
Okay. Minimum 2 months for sure. The reason is like everyone will not be on the same phase, right? I need to make sure like everyone gets hands-on and understanding about the tool, what they're learning. Okay. Then I will go to the next topic and then I will explain them. Like that, I'll be helping everyone. Once I feel like you all are good with whatever the practice you are doing, once I feel, then I can just go a little bit faster. Got it?
After completion of the course, how much experience can we put to, apply for our job opportunities to the different companies? What is the minimum experience can we put based on this training session? I mean,
See,
during this course.
I'll make you, I can assure you, like a person with 3+ years experience in real time, how a person will work in an organization, right? To that level of concepts, I can help you out through this training. Okay. To
Okay.
that level, I can bring you within 2-3 months. Don't worry on that. Beyond that, if you want to learn something new, you can explore it. I'll guide you how you can do yourself more exploring. If you want to add more experience, how you can do it. You will understand once you get trained with me. You will understand how you need to make yourself more and more genuine towards the technology.
So do we need to have any, no, minimum experience on Excel as well
No
to
need.
learn this course?
Just come to me with zero experience. Okay, I'll make you
Okay.
perfect with technology.
So during this course, so we will also get a chance to learn as Excel or
No, no, no. You'll
okay,
not learn Excel. Remember, Excel can accommodate only some volume of data. When you
okay,
go for an enterprise level, all the companies will have their data at databases only.
okay.
Okay, people are just trying to make Excel knowledge. Some formulas or something else, you can just Google it and you can add it to your Excel and you can do it on the fly if required in your work. Don't worry about that Excel part. Okay.
Okay.
Real time at enterprise level, if you want to use your large one, Excel cannot accommodate like one crore record or 2 crore, 1 million or
Yes,
2 million
yes.
records,
Yeah.
right? So then it needs a database. If you need a database, then only you can but the value of purchasing these licenses will be worth in real time for them.
Yes.
Hello, remaining Ajay, Vardhan, Manikanta, Sheikh, Shiva, Ashwin, do you have any questions?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear? Okay. All set for our training?
Yeah, I have one doubt regarding Snowflake. Like how far it will be covered here? Like it is also like SQL? We will write the SQL queries. How
No.
it would be
We
Snowflakes?
Snowflake is like Snowflake. Remember, in Snowflake you will have Snowflake is a cloud warehouse. First point. Okay, so you need to understand as a warehouse, as a data analyst, you will not be developing much of ETL process in your Snowflake. Suppose let's say you are an ETL developer, then you will connect your Snowflake and you will load your Snowflake data modules, everything data loads, everything into Snowflake. You will schedule and you will do all the things. Okay. But as an data analyst, you'll be using your Snowflake environment and you will be developing, you're creating your data sets and loading a minimalistic data from, let's say your client is having a data from your what I can say, S3 bucket. Okay, your client is having a data CSV file from your S3 bucket. Okay, they want to load it, but you as a data analyst, you can load that data file directly into your Snowflake tables by creating the table structure in your Snowflake, and you can load the data information into Snowflake, and you can use that data for developing your reporting solution connecting to Tableau and Power BI. How that connection establishments will happen. After connecting, what is the performance changes you can observe as a data analyst? Because you need to, Rihanna, I just want to ask you one question. Have you used any of the databases in real time in your work?
Yes.
Right. Can you capture in physical SQL from your Power BI?
Sorry?
Can you capture a physical SQL from your Power BI? If you develop a report, what exactly it is sending back to the database, can you capture anywhere?
No, no, we will not send anything to database. No, we will just fetch the data and we will load and we
No, no,
will.
no. What
Uh,
it will send a SQL, right? Without sending a backend SQL to the database, how a database will send the information to Power BI, it will not send, right?
No, it will not send. Only
You,
we
you, you,
will,
you will not
we,
be able to see at all in Power BI if you are connecting to normal on-premise databases, remember. But when you connect your Power BI to Snowflake, whatever the report, let's say you develop this report. Okay, your report. Okay, what columns we have used here? Okay, we used columns category and sales, correct? In
yes,
general, it needs to send to a SQL database saying that select category and sales from particular orders table. Correct? That is a
yes,
SQL it needs to select. Send. When you click on this, it should send a SQL to the database saying that select category and sales from orders where category equal to technology. Correct? That is the SQL format it needs to send in the backend. Correct? You
yes,
agree with me? That
yes.
SQL, what exactly the SQL, I am able to explain you, but in general, developers cannot find it from a Power BI if it is connecting to a normal warehouse. But I will show you as a data analyst, if you are connecting to a Snowflake, how you can capture that SQLs. Snowflake is having that capability of capturing all your work, what you are doing from your front end. You will experience how fast you can do and what cache mechanism. These all things you will learn to add it to your resume. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Sheikh, Shiva, Yashwant, Kalyan, Manikanta,
No
Ajay.
doubt, sir. It's clear.
Okay, right. So we all set for this training, correct?
Sir.
Right. Okay. You all can reach out to Career IT team. They'll provide you updated information. Mostly we'll be starting from Monday. Okay. Just be in touch with them. I want to see you all in the training. Okay. We have few more people also joining this training, which I have taken demo in the last week. So we'll club everyone and we will make it as a batch. Remember, you all are my team once you join this training. Clear? I'll be there for you to guide anytime. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. I wish you all
Thank
the
you.
best. See you soon in the training.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.